Very warm welcome and good morning in our e-learning classes of CVM Higher Secondary English Medium School. Today 24th of the December, before the day of the Christmas. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas to the dear students from me. Today I would like to say a few things about unit test 5. Although you have the knowledge of the pattern of the unit test paper style, because up till now you all have given 4 unit tests very enthusiastically with a hard labor and doing good in your performance to this unit test. So there is not much more to say, but again, if you have any confusion regarding this unit test, let me make it very clear. For the unit test 5, the paper structure for the unit test, particularly in English Medium English 006 subject, section A will be of 8 marks. It is splitting in 2 parts, in prose section and poetry section. Section A, question 1, read the passage and answer the questions given below, which will be the MCQ type questions. A, B, C, D options will be given and you will have to select the right option, appropriate option for your answer, and it will be of 4 marks for the prose section. The same sort of questions will be in the next question, that will be for the poetry. Read the stanza and answer the following questions, selecting an appropriate or suitable options. That will be again an MCQ type of the questions, which will be of 4 mark, and it will be from the poetry section. So section A, 8 marks, clear about prose and poetry MCQ type questions, right? Okay. Section B, there will be the descriptive questions, means answer the following type of the questions, section B, which will be again of 8 marks. Section B will be of 8 marks. The same as it is in question A, but here it is descriptive type. The mode of the question is descriptive type. So section B, question 2, answer the following questions in 4-5 sentences each. Each question carries 2 marks. Those two questions will carry 4 marks. Means in the first questions you are attending the questions related to the prose section, right? Each question carries 2 marks. 2 questions will be there, it will be of 4 marks. The same thing in the another questions, but in the next question there will be the question of the poems. The same with question, answer the following questions in 2-3 sentences each of the given below. Again there will be 2 questions from poem, and it will be of 8 marks, right? So that will be about the descriptive type of questions in section B. And both prose and poetry questions will be there. So as per our syllabus, prepare it. Section B comes to an end carrying 8 marks. So now the last questions is section C. It is about the grammar. As usual, you have observed in your unit test which you have already given so far. There will be option, means editing text or blank. Editing text, the passage, words will be given, identify error or replace the word, otherwise the words will be given below above the paragraph, and proper words, either or. These two type of questions in editing text sort of questions will be there. 5 marks of this editing text or blank type of questions. And next, in the same section C, grammar section, there will be the transformation type of question which you have already given in your unit test. It is also be asked as do as directed. You have already been given the syllabus that what type of questions will be in transformation, remove to, use to, right, make affirmative, make negative, change the degree, change the voice, and question tag, right. This type of transformation options will be given, which will be 4 questions, 4 type of this transformation, and each carries 1 mark, 4 carries 4 marks. So the section C's later part, ending part of transformation, there you are preparing all the types. As I said, those grammar and grammatical items regarding the transformation, which will be of 4 marks. So it is about the paper style of unit test 5, which is very common and general, that you all are familiar with. If we particularly talk about standard 11 questions and the syllabus, there will be prose number 6. The title of the prose is the Browning version in prose section, and in poetry section there will be poem 4, Childhood. Now, as it is a poem, there might be the chances of questions that might be asked of like figures of speech. Identify the figures of speech in these questions in this poetry section. So do prepare for 11th standard prose 6, poem 4, and that's how you can prepare for the 11th standard syllabus for unit test 5. Thank you very much.